Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create database and delete them and use database in MySQL workbench. Okay, so I have installed MySQL in my PC. So I have created a video also that how you can actually install MySQL in your Windows. So I hope you will watch it and you can actually do it. So here you can see this is the dashboard, or what can I say, control panel for the MySQL workbench. Okay, so here you can see we have a local instance at the bottom here, a local instance. So when you install it, you will actually by default you will actually create this. Okay, so you just have to click on it, and I have set the password like this. So let me just say here and then okay. So here you can see, we have a lightning port here. I mean, not lightning port, it's actually a lightning sign, right? So whenever actually we write something, we will execute through this. Okay, so here you can see we haven't actually create any database, right? So we will actually create a database at first. So I will use syntax, MySQL syntax, and that is create database, and the database name we'll say here webtech db. Let's say webtech db, and we will actually close the sentence using semicolon. Okay, and now what I have to do here, I have to click on this lightning sign to execute the query. So when I click on it, you can see at the bottom create database webtech db. All right, here you can see we are in administration, so we have to go to the schemas. And here if I click on this, you can see that we have created the database, but it's not showing here, so we have to refresh it here. You can see here, so if I refresh it now, you can see we have the database. So now you can see the by default database is SYC. So we have to make it, I mean, let's say I want to work with this database, so I have to write here use the database name, and I want to click here in the lightning sign. Now you can see my default database is webtech db. So if you want to if you don't want to use this line, you can actually right click on it, and then you can set from here also set as default schema. If I click on it, it will actually work as default schema. Now let's say I want to drop this, so I will drop the database. So I will say drop database, and then the database name, let's say webtech db. Select this lightning port. Now you can see there is no database. If I refresh, still there is no database because we have already dropped this. So we are going to actually create the database, because we will actually create a series tutorial for this. So we will actually learn MySQL. So we need a database, right? So I'm going to create once again, create database webtech db. If I click on lightning sign, and then if I refresh here, you can see we have webtech db. If you want to set it as default schema, you just have to say here that set as default schema. On the other hand, you can do this, that use, okay, use webtech, and then you will you have to select this lightning sign. That time actually it will work as the default schema. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.